Want to know how to sign up to TubeBuddy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your TubeBuddy website or the application. So we have also created similar videos regarding TubeBuddy, so make sure to watch this, which is on our channel. So once you're under TubeBuddy, you should be under its main interface right here, and on the top right side, you should be saying sign in with Google. So you can just simply select that. So now once you have selected sign in with Google, your login form should pop up, and you can just simply tick the terms and conditions and privacy policy. So continue with Google, choose any account that you want, and you should automatically be signed in just like this. Now once everything is done, you should automatically be signed up to TubeBuddy, and you can use it by launching your extension and using it with Facebook, YouTube and more. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.